So welcome to Early Makes Money Online. I am here again to show you another way of making money online, because I have been making money online since 2017, and I created this channel purposely because I want to show others the way. I think that's how to put it, show us the way. So I am here to show you the way, how you can use these platforms to make money without working. You make money, legit money, every day, every second, and you benefit from it. Of course, it's something that you can use. This app is something that you can use to grow financially. You can build wealth with it. You can build legit wealth, not just wealth, but legit wealth with it. So are you ready to make money online using this platform I'm about to show you? Let's get into it. So this app is called ICE. In full word, it's ICE Wealth. ICE Wealth. ICE Wealth, it helps you to grow wealth. That's why they add the wealth, but it's mostly ICE Wealth. So this app can help you make money online. Let's start to explore the app, what is inside, how you can sign up. Like I said, in signing up for these apps, because they are legit platforms of making money, you must use your legit name, your national IDs. You understand? Like everything they ask you, your address, use the digital address, the GPS. You understand? So use legit informations to sign up, so that they will not even accept you if you don't use legit informations. You understand? Because they are legit platforms. You understand? So these platforms are legit. Like I said, it will help you. So let's get into the app. Let's explore the features that you can use to make money on the app. You understand? Let's get into it, and I will show you the basic ones I've been using myself, or everything I've been using in the app to make money. Let's get in. Get the ICE Wealth app on Google Play Store and also Apple Store on iPhone. So I'm using iPhone, Android for this tutorial. So let me get in. So you can just search for it. ICE. So you can see ICE Wealth. It comes. You just click on it. Forget these ads. Okay, because I have it installed already, you just open. So when you get in, you can see this is how the interface looks like. And because I have signed up already, you to follow the processes. Like, it's not a difficult thing. Just use your legal details, your IDs, your national IDs and everything to sign up, so that you can use it. I've already signed up. This is what you do when you are done signing up. This is how you invest. So you can see invest is there. Trade life, insights, liquidity fund, and all that. So let's start with liquidity fund. Okay, so this is liquidity fund. So this liquidity fund is where you can invest as low as 1 cedi, and you will watch the money grow for you. Like, you will get profit on it all the time. How is it done? So if you want to invest, you just click the invest, choose Momo or bank, whichever we want to invest the money, and let ICE Wealth grow the money for you. You can invest as low as, like I said, 1 cedi. So when you deposit money into the ICE liquidity fund, the money is used to buy government bonds and other things. They have a way of investing the money, but one of them is treasury bills and government-backed bonds. So as they get interest all the time, they will deposit the money back into the account, and then you will see your interest all the time. That is ICE working for you. So if you want to deposit money or you want to invest money into the ICE Wealth Fund, you just click invest, and then you choose the payment type. So you can use Visa card, MTN, Momo, Airtel Tigo Cash, or Vodafone Cash. That is it. So once you follow the process, you key in the amount you want to invest, and then you submit it, and that is it for the ICE Wealth app. Every day you will check how much you get. You'll be getting something every day, like you check it. So if you want to also invest in it, we have a way of doing it. If you want something like you want your money to grow in a year, let's say annualized return, as you can see there, you get a 10% of your money that you put. So if you put 50,000, you get 5,000 free profit. That is your money working for you. So that is the 10.0% annualized return. So withdrawal, if you want to withdraw any money for this particular investment, you can withdraw it anytime. If you put the money today and tomorrow you want to take it for an emergency something, you can take it. It's better to put your money here than to put it inside your savings account, and that is a waste of money. So if you want to withdraw, you can see, you click withdraw, and then you choose the account you want to, ICE liquidity fund, the amount you want to withdraw, and then everything is sharp. And you can set a goal and also switch your goal. If, let's say, I want to buy a car, you can tell ICE, okay, I'm investing to buy a car, or investing to continue my education or anything, or to start a business and all that, you understand. So if you want to transfer money, you can transfer money from using the transfer funds to your bank or Momo, you understand. So if you want to also see the transaction records, like details, is there. So the automated investment, as you can see here, that one, you are assigning ICE to take money from your account directly, which is it can be monthly or quarterly from your account. So you just put the amount you want ICE to take automatically and invest for you, or it's optional. You can choose to. It's not by force. You can choose to. Then you put the amount that you want ICE to invest for you. All right. So let's move to the next investment, or whichever we let's move to the next investment opportunity here. So this is Trade Life. So when you come to Trade Life, you can see that the Casapreco IPO is still here. Casapreco IPO is still here. You can buy it here on this app as well. But before you start investing in any of these stock on the Ghana financial market, you must have a CSD account, which is Central Securities Depository account. You must have it. So this account is just my account that I'm using for the purpose of this tutorial. You can see that I opened it recently and I submitted my CSD account informations, and then it will take 3 to 4 weeks for them to approve. So I will have to wait if I want it approved on this particular one as well. So you can see the Casapreco IPO is still here. When you buy 1 cedi 20 pesos per share, and you are able to buy 2,000 shares, once the company start to make profit, or the stock rises to 3 cedis, that is a profit of 1 cedi 80 pesos per share. So you calculate and then you take your money. You can see, I gave an example in my last video about MTN. MTN actually offered their own less than 1 cedi. But today, because MTN is a big company that makes money all the time, their stock is now 6.73, meaning whoever buys that shares is making a profit of more than 5 cedi or 6 cedis now. You understand? So you calculate it. Let's say if you buy 2,000, you calculate your 6 cedi times 2,000. That is your profit of how much you've buy the shares. So it's the same for all others here. You can see some companies are even offering as low as 10. It's not even up to 10. Just 10 pesos. Some of them 85 cedis. Charlie, is too much. Anyway, if you want to buy, but I will not recommend that. Car Bank is less than 1 cedi. Like you go through it. A lot of companies are here. Goel, all of them are here. So it applies the same way the Casapreco IPO works. Is the same thing. If you buy from any of the companies, that is how you make your profit as well. So I think for this app, there is nothing more I can show you than. Okay, so there's another thing here too, which is the fixed income. Yeah, fixed income. The fixed income, you can see, is treasury bill. So let's say you can see the percentages that they offer. So this one is 182-day treasury bill. So if you deposit your money in 182 days, 6 months, I guess, 6 months, you will get 7% of your money. So if you deposit, this one is 91-day treasury bill. So if you deposit money into that 91 day. After 91 day, you get 4.87% at the rate now. So for 364 days, which is 1 year, you get 10.30% for that. For whatever amount you invest there, I think at least 1,000 cedis or so, or 100 cedis. All right. So I think this is just it, and try to explore the app. It's easy to use, and if you don't understand anything, let me know. Thank you.